Why are there train cars from Los Angeles in Chicago?
Hey everyone, it's me, Tom. I am standing on Roosevelt Road, which crosses over the Amtrak and Metro Yard. It's one of my favorite rail fanning spots. I was filming footage for a different video here, and then looking south, I noticed maybe the weirdest combination of trains I've ever seen before. See for yourself. That's right. Those are Metrolink cars. Metrolink is the commuter rail agency in Los Angeles, California, so those cars are very far from home.
I decided to walk down to 18th Street to see if I could get a better view.
I took a bus to Western Metro Station, and we're about to hop on a BNSF line train towards Union Station, because I think if I sit on the right side of the train, I'll have a very good view of those Metrolink cars from the window.
Right, here we go. We should be passing the Metrolink cars any second now. Just keep looking. Almost. No, Amtrak Superliner, what? No! Okay, well, we can see the Metrolink cars through the windows. I guess we'll have to do with that. Oh, come on. There's the locomotives, and here we go. Here are the Metrolink cars. That's a pretty good view, if I do say so myself. And they're connected to the Midwest Siemens Venture cars. What a weird sight.
That Amtrak train. At least we got to see a little bit of it, but still, I waited almost an hour to get on this Metro. Anyways, before we end the video, let's talk about why these Metrolink cars are here in Chicago.
As I mentioned earlier, Metrolink is the commuter rail agency in the greater Los Angeles area, and the specific cars that we're looking at today are part of the Bombardier bi-level family. They're most easily recognized by the weird slopes at the end of the cars. Now, Metrolink's bi-levels have been in service for quite a few years and are due for a refurbishment. So in 2019, Metrolink contracted two companies, Talgo and Systra, to carry out this refurbishment. The refurbishment will take place in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. So these cars were brought to Chicago by the Amtrak Southwest Chief and then will later make their way up to Milwaukee. Now, the Southwest Chief pulling other passenger cars in itself is not so unusual. In the past, we've seen examples of the Southwest Chief having some Pacific Surfliner cars in the back, for example. On the subject of Metrolink, I'm actually planning a trip to Los Angeles in just a few weeks to highlight some things in this network, so make sure to subscribe to Trains Are Awesome so you don't miss those.
So that's why there are California Metrolink trains here in Chicago, Illinois. I love living in Chicago because you get to see cool train things like that all the time. If I see any more, of course they'll be featured right here on the channel, so don't forget to subscribe to Trains Are Awesome. Check out our Instagram and our Patreon. Thanks for watching this bonus video. We'll see you next time.